the room with thread and glue, crafting dreams I made for you. Every stitch and painted hue tells a secret love so true. Paper hearts and folded cranes, scissors cutting through the pain. In these hands our memory remains, art in love with every game. Crafted love in every fold, in the colors we behold. Glitter magic never old, our story in the glue we hold. Stamps and ink, we make our mark, crafting love that sparks the dark. Together stoking passion's spark, in every crafted quirk and arc. Beats of joy on string we tie, making moments that won't die. In this room where dreams can fly, crafted love soars to the sky. Crafted love in every fold, in the colors we behold. Glitter magic never old, our story in the glue we hold. Cutting paper glue so strong, making magic all day long. Turning dreams to fun creations, crafting joy with no frustrations. Scissors snipping, markers flow. In the comments let us know, what's your favorite hobby trick? Making art with every click. Subscribe, hit that bell, you're set. In this world we'll never fret. Glue guns ready, paints in line. Crafty pals, we're feeling fine. Glitter bombs and ribbon bow, messy hands, that's how we glow. Share your projects, show your flair. Crafting love is everywhere.